Good morning, Grade 2. We are in Chapter 3, Earth is Materials, Lesson 3, What is a Fossil? Let's warm up. What are fossils? Do you remember? Fossils are a print or part of animal or plant that lived long ago. One more time. Fossils are a print or part of animal or plant that lived long ago. What fossils can be? We said before, fossils can be two types, part or print. Part like a very old bones or teeth, very old shells and wood, or print, a picture left in rocks, shapes or a picture left in rocks. This is a print. Fossil is a print. Today, your objective will be how fossils form. How fossils form. How fossils form. Let's go and know how fossils form. I will start by dinosaur. How fossils form. Number 1. The fossil will die. After living things die, the layer of sand and mud will cover them. They are covered by sand or mud. After many years, scientists dug and found the fossil, part or print, in a rock. After living things die, they will covered by sand or mud, many layers of sand and mud. And after many years, scientists dug and found part of a fossil or print of fossil, bones, printed picture in a rock. Now let us know how the lizard's fossil is formed. Number 1, the lizard will die. Number 2, layers of mud and sand cover the lizard. After the lizard dies, many layers of mud and sand will cover the lizard. And after many years, a lot of years, these layers will turn to be rocks. So, the fossils formed. Number 1, the animal or our example here is lizard. The animal or the lizard will die. Number 2, it will covered by many layers of mud and sand. Number 3, after many years, these layers will turn to be a rock. Look at this picture. What is left by the lizard on the rock? The paleontologist can find, the scientist can find the lizard as a print picture in the rock, or they can find it as a part. They can find the bones of the lizard. So the scientist can find the left by the lizard as a print of the lizard is left on the rock, or as a part. Let's wrap up. Put your thinking cap and think with me. Does fossils need long or short time to form? Think. Does fossils need long or short time to form? Great. Fossils will take very long time to be formed. Another question. Reorder the steps below of what will happen after the lizard dies to become a fossil? Which one, number one? Layers of mud and sand cover the lizard. After the lizard dies, what left of the lizard turned to rock too? These layers turn to rock. Which one is number one? Super. Number one, the lizard dies. Number two. Excellent. Layers of mud and sand cover the lizard. Number three. Super. These layers turn to rock. And at the end, what left of the lizard turned to rock too? Let's read, and thank you for listening.